Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and in today's video, we're going to be discussing Pepe. Okay, we're going to be breaking Pepe down from just sort of a broad updating perspective, and then we're going to be going into the chart to see how and essentially where we can make some money trading this asset today. Okay, so let's start off with Pepe in terms of an update. In the last month, it's down 5%. The last 7 days, it's up 3%, and in the last day, it's actually down 3%. So over the last sort of week here, we're looking at more or less sort of a break-even scenario here for Pepe, ranging in that specific sort of area, which we will go into the chart very shortly as well. Any sort of crazy news for Pepe at the moment that has come out? Nothing too much here to cover in this video, but one thing that I do want to cover, guys, is basically the whale holdings registered for this asset. So you can see actually the Pepe whales here, they actually hold 45% of the token, and this usually means that one, there's potential stability there for the asset, and two, also potential volatility if there is some very big news, because the whales will begin to sell and that could massively crash the price. So that's something that you guys should definitely know about here. If you look at the value here for the Pepe addresses, it's very substantial here. In ninth place, it's worth $80 million, over 1% of the supply. So it is quite substantial looking at these figures, guys, and definitely something that shouldn't be overlooked. Now, without further ado, let's get into the chart and let's see where we can actually make some money trading this asset here today. Now, before I do that, guys, I want to talk to you very quickly about a new Layer 2 protocol. The new Layer 2 protocol is actually the first Bitcoin Layer 2 project here. It's basically taken the Bitcoin blockchain and made it scalable and made it faster and made it easier. Okay, right now these guys are in a pre-sale. They've raised $1.1 million so far, and it is the first ever Layer 2 chain for Bitcoin, and it's had all its audits done. It's trusted by some very reputable sources in the space, and yeah, there's some really good tech behind this. Basically, like Lightning Network, Optimism rollups, ZK rollups, Rootstock, and also Bitcoin Hyper. Okay, these are obviously helping the Layer 2 protocol sort of narrative at the moment, but this is where Bitcoin Hyper comes in and does have a huge potential here for potentially massive gains. They've also got big influences here alongside this project and the marketing budget to really push this thing. So that is why we are seeing quite a substantial growth here in this pre-sale. If you guys did want to get involved with this pre-sale, you can. All you need to do is connect your wallet, Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, or Coinbase Wallet. And also, guys, if you did want to claim free airdrops, literally free money, go to Best Wallet. The link is in the description. Basically, download it, and you can basically start claiming crypto. It's essentially exactly the same as Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom. Basically, just another Web3 wallet. But their unique selling point is essentially you can claim airdrops here on their wallet, which is really good fun, and it's good for airdrop farming as well, because some of these airdrops can be worth a substantial amount of money. Now, let's get back into Pepe and let's see where we can make some money basically trading this asset. So I haven't changed my chart that much since we last spoke about Pepe here on Crypto News, and admittedly I have been I've been away for around a week or so. I've been moving house, but I'm back now, and this is the TA that we did actually plot in previous videos, guys. You can see upward sloping parallel channel. This is the measure move pointing to the downside. You can see that measure move was completed very simply, very easily, and we made a very nice 21% to the downside. Now, the question you're probably asking right now is, where is this asset currently going, and how can I be trading and making money with this thing? So right now, the first thing that I would be doing is drawing in a trend line roughly around here, and you can see we're sort of respecting this right now from a resistance standpoint, and also we are seeing just a general pullback here from this quite bullish pump here after setting a big low around the start of June. So we have seen a 30% move, currently seeing that pullback measure at around an 18% above most major moving averages here, but still sort of clumped together in, again, this ranging period. So we're not really that certain on the direction right now, but we can be doing stuff like this, okay? Drawing in nice little trend lines and getting that essentially honed in on where we think this thing is going to go. So that would be the first trend line. The second trend line, super easy. It's just going to be using all of these points to the lower side. That is creating a falling wedge, guys. Falling wedges, they do tend to usually break to the upside. So really the pinnacle pinnacle long point that we're looking for is in this area. Okay, so it's basically saying we're going to bounce here. We're just having a nice little pullback here. We're above all major moving averages here in this area as well. We've got a lovely trend line to the upside. Here that we have been respecting here, here, and here, which gives really, really nice volume and volatility to the upside as well. So it is bullish, and we have seen that here as well. So looking for a nice breakout, a nice little move, probably roughly worth maybe 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe even 10% here is a smart play. Okay, so that would be the trade I'd be looking for Pepe. But right now, probably looking at these moving averages leveling down a little bit here. Ideally, the 7 SMA coming down as well. The 55 coming up, the 200 coming up as well. And then basically seeing this area as a pinnacle long point for a lovely Pepe trade. Let me know what you think of Pepe in the comment section and this potential position, and whether you're trading or holding Pepe as well, guys. Now, just remember, links are in the description for Best Wallet and also Bitcoin Hyper. Go check them out. There's money to be made there. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.